Say hi, Brody. Say hi. Hey guys, it's Jen and Brody, and today we're gonna film a fun get ready with me while I hold Brody. So he's gonna be my assistant and he's gonna help me through this tutorial. And I actually have my face already primed. I'm wearing our brand new Base Tape Hydrating Primer. It smells so good. He loves the scent of it. So I had to put it on quickly and get it out of the way because he just wants to put his mouth on it. And while it smells amazing, it's just not edible. So yeah. All right, guys, let's start. We're gonna do some red lips, some winged eyeliner, and I'm gonna try to do it all with one hand holding this guy. Let's get started. You hold this, okay? All right, so the first item I'm going to apply is our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation in the shade Porcelain. I love this because it's got this easy doe foot applicator, which is great, especially if you're holding a baby to apply. No mess. Then I'm going to take our Quickie blending sponge and I'm just gonna blend it all out. I've got some crazy hair today. Now I can't see too much, but I will check in the mirror once I think I'm done. Brody, how's it going, baby? He loves to hold my Lights Camera Lashes mascara whenever I'm getting ready. I think he loves the glitter. He loves how easy it is to hold. And I usually end up finding it in the toy chest along with my wallet and my car key. So yeah, you think that's funny? I don't think it's very funny when I'm trying to go anywhere. You're being such a good boy. I had to grab my Tarte and Bloom palette so I could see what the heck I'm doing. This is so much harder than I thought it was going to be, and this is only the foundation. Yeah, okay. Let's move right into eyes because I want to get those done, and then I'm going to do my contour. I'm going to be using our brand new Tarte Pro Remix palette. He loves the packaging on this. It's so fun, right? I know. You want to touch it? You can touch it. He's so happy right now. Brody. All right, let me open it up real quick. You can see all the pretty shades in here. Oh, look how fun. All right, so we're going to be using the shades Wall Art and Mixed Media, which are these two more neutral matte shades right here. Sorry, I can't use my finger because I only have one hand, but these right here. You want to see it again? It's pretty, right? All right, so we're gonna just apply mixed media all over our lid, and then we're gonna pop a little bit of wall art right into our crease for a little definition and shape. All right, we're gonna apply this. Mommy's gonna put this all over her eyelid, just like this. Did you just burp? He just woke up from a nap, so he's so happy, which is great for all of us. No touch, no touch. So I'm just buffing that shade Mixed Media quickly right over my lid because I'm so scared he's gonna stick his hands right in this palette. Okay. I know it's so pretty, right? All right, and I'm just hitting that right up into my crease as well. Okay. Hold on, baby. All right, now we're gonna go right into wall art and pop that right into our crease. Ooh, yeah, that looks so pretty. It's just like a nice natural shadow. Oh. Okay, no touch, no touch. Good boy. This actually is blending out beautifully. These formulas are so nice and they just like mix together so well. And there's no tugging, no skipping. They're just blending seamlessly. Oh yeah. And I didn't even use eye primer because they've got Amazonian clay in it, so they lock to your lid. So if you have oily lids or you know someone that has like that combination, this is a great palette for you because your shadow will never crease. I'm just struggling. I know, baby. Hold on. Okay. We're gonna move right into the old Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the liquid pen end to line my eyes and create a really nice little wing. Please don't touch when I do this. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do one far away and then I'll come in close so you can see the other one. Here we go. That was beautiful. I gotta say, for holding a kid and using one hand, this liner just glides. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get you, where's your banks? Do you want your bank? We got your bankies, you want the bank? I need as much silence as possible. Try not to move, baby. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. I know. Hold on, he sees his Bernie, which is actually just Bert, but we call him Bernie in our house. Hold on. No, no, no. Hold on, hold on. Oh, geez, Louise. Okay, hold on, hold on. I don't know if there's any coming back from this. Oh, baby, hold on. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, I'm just gonna move on to the other eye because I feel like I'm gonna do more damage than good. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Hold on. No, wait, wait, wait. I'm trying to move quick because he's kind of moving fast. Hold on, hold on. Oh. Hold on, baby, hold on. Oh. This is not my best work. Oh, Brody, hold on. Hold on, hold on. They're not even. It doesn't look good. This is what it is when you try to line with a 1-year-old. Okay. So this is Bernie. You want to hold Bernie? Give him hugs. You give Bernie hugs? He loves him. Okay, you hold Bernie. All right. I'm going to move on to contour now, so hold tight. Okay. I'm going to be using our Tarte Pro Glow to Go Highlight and Contour Palette. I love the contour shade in this, so I'm going to use some of that to chisel out my cheekbones. Oh, Bernie, come on, man. Okay, just going to buff that out, and then I will pick up Bernie. Man, this is so much harder than I thought it was going to be. Hold on, baby, hold on. Just buffing away. All right, let's hit the other side quickly. I don't even know what I really look like because I'm kind of far away. But let me try to hit the forehead just a little. Also get off any excess. Stop grinding your teeth. He just started grinding his teeth and it makes me cringe. Hold on, don't touch that. Okay. I'm gonna hit the nose a little, hold on. Let's do a little nose contouring real quick. All right, just the tip. I like to hit really. I don't think I'm gonna get a precise nose contour, but we're gonna try. Hi, you getting sleepy again? You just took a nap. Okay. Oh boy. Mommy is going to look crazy after this. Hold on, let's get the other side. I'm trying to use the reflection. What? What? Okay. Come on, blend out to perfection. I need to move quickly. Oh boy, this does look a little crazy. Hold on, let me get a different mirror. Let's do Tartlet and Bloom, hold on. Don't touch this palette. Hold on. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but it's not good. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on, baby, hold on. Moving quick, moving quick. Okay, cheeks are done, nose done. I'm gonna add a little pop of highlight right here, just right at the tip to give it a more sloped appearance. I have to tell you, from far away, this doesn't look so bad to me, but you'll agree it's not very good. But we're trying. All right, I'm gonna blend out my contour a little bit more with our brand new Shape Tape Powder Foundation. I'm using the fair shade, and I'm just gonna dip my brush right in it and just kind of use it to softly, hold on, baby, hold on. Here, you wanna sit like that? Okay, you sit like that. Okay, hold on. Hold on, Mommy's gonna blend quickly. Oh no, where's the Binks and where's Bernie? Where's Bernie? Where'd he go? Oh no, gotta move quick, gotta move fast. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Oh my gosh, this is just like a mess. I don't even know if I can really make this look better. All right, I'm just gonna give up on that because somebody's not letting me do it. All right, I'm gonna do mascara last because he's holding on to that and I just don't want him to scream. So we're gonna move right into lip. I'm gonna be using our Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Extra. It's a really fun red color. Let's do it. Okay. Ah, hold on, baby, hold on. Hold still, mommy needs to do this really good and still. Okay, here we go. Oh, hold on. Brody, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, oh dear. Okay, oh, that sucks. Okay. Oh, he's staying still. He's staying still. What do you see? You see Bernie? You see Bernie? Okay. Wow. Well, look at the contour, look at the lip. Oh man, oh man. Okay, not a problem. We're gonna keep going on. Let's keep going. All right, let's do mascara now. Here, Brody, you can hold this. Hold this. Mommy is going to take the mascaras. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, mascara, and then we're done. And then we'll see how I look. So far, not good. Okay. I don't think I'm ever gonna film with you again. You're very hard to film with. Look, mommy's putting her lashes on. Oh yeah. This is my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara because it lengthens curls, conditions, and volumizes my lashes. And Brody loves the packaging because who doesn't? It's so much fun. All right, let's do the other eye quickly. Oh boy, Brody. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Okay, just one more coat. I'm rushing this so fast and I'm trying to get this on as smooth as possible. Who are you talking to? Okay. All right, well, kids, let's zoom in and see what we've got. Okay, this, not good. This nose contour, not good. This wing is not my best. This wing is really not my best. But this is what we come out looking like when getting ready with Brody. Brody, you're so cute and I love you so much, but you don't like to let me get ready. No, it's very hard. He was wiggling like a worm, but you know what? I would do it again any day. I love you. I love you so much. He's so cute. He's so happy. Mwah. You say bye to everybody? Can you wave bye-byes? Come here, wave bye-byes. You guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us. This didn't come out the way I thought. I actually thought my liner would be decent and I thought my lip was gonna go on smooth. I was in motion, but yeah, that one hit just really messed me up. But all right, guys, we're gonna go because it's snack time and I'm gonna feed this little guy. But let me know in the comment section below if there's any other types of videos you wanna see. Hopefully not with Brody again because my makeup's not gonna come out very good, but let me know what they are regardless in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. We love you and we'll see you soon. Mwah. Wave bye-byes. Wave bye-bye. He usually waves, but he's just not doing it right now. Oh, there he goes. Good boy. Good boy. Mwah. All right, take care, tartlets. Mwah.